The story is taken from a residential interior project located in Phillipsburg, Montana entitled Rock Creek Cabin, completed by Abby Hetherington Interiors. This Montana home was designed by Miller-Roodell Architects and built by Granite Custom Homes Construction, mostly one-story structure of reclaimed wood and Montana moss rock with a standing seam metal roof. Minimally intrusive and screened from the river and road by intermittent poplars, aspens, and cedar trees, the house successfully stakes its claim as part of the landscape. At just under 3,000 square feet, with an open living space, 2-bedroom suites, and a bunk room, the house was designed to be low-slung, tucked discreetly into the base of the rounded mountains that rise immediately behind it. While the interiors are characterized by reclaimed wood beams and posts, wood floors, and wood trim, the overall effect is light, bright, and minimal due to large and plentiful windows, ample drywall, and an open kitchen punctuated by light green cabinets, white subway tile, and airy light fixtures. The tall central portion creates extra height in the great room, where the dramatic volume highlights a charismatic Montana moss rock fireplace and meadow and mountain. On the entry side of the living room, wood posts define the hallways leading to either wing and support built-in bookcases accessed by a library ladder. An inquisitive child exploring the upper reaches will find a sliding door of reclaimed wood with a crescent moon cut out. Behind that lies a secret room with built-in beds and a small square window looking across the valley to the mountains on the other side of the river, the perfect perch to create one's own Western fairy tale. In addition to 2 full baths and a powder room, the home has the all-important mudroom, which, for the owners, was all about housing fishing gear and waders, with built-in lockers to keep things organized and custom-built hooks on the entry porch so rods could remain outside. Playful use of color, a blue velvet winged chair in the living room, blue chairs around the dining table, vivid tabarca tiles in the bathrooms, and efficiency of space define the cabin. A built-in desk workspace is tucked into a nook leading to the lounge, where the TV watching area doubles as a bedroom, with bunks and underbed storage. Several rooms have window seats with built-in storage and bookcases, as well. As for the furniture and finishes, the owners came with their own story. The lady has a really good design sense and knows what she likes. She came with ideas for the color palette, tonality, and texture. Abby spent time with them and listened to them, then sourced materials and products that told the story they were trying to tell. The lady also brought a lot of the product vendors and lines with her. They wanted it very comfortable but also sophisticated. And they wanted quality. Most of the pieces were handmade or artisan-made, from furniture to light fixtures. What Abby's love about this home is that the program is so simple. The bathrooms are all the same reclaimed wood, materials, and styles, so there's no competing program, and there's a level of sophistication because of how simple and elegant.